Hi, welcome to my channel. I have very exciting news for you today. Microsoft starts rolling out ChatGPT integration for select users on desktop. iOS launching soon. After announcing its new Edge browser and updated Bing search engine that integrates a ChatGPT experience via OpenAI last week, Microsoft opened up a waitlist for the feature. Now the first users are getting access to the capability. However, it's only on desktop for now, with Microsoft saying iOS and Android support is not ready yet. Along with the waitlist opening to sign up to be the first to try out the new Edge and Bing experiences boosted with AI, Microsoft's iOS apps shot to the top of Apple's App Store. Microsoft didn't give a clear expectation on when early adopters would be offered the chance to start using the new ChatGPT integration, but as it turns out, that started today. Reported by Windows Latest, Microsoft started letting select users know this morning that the new experience is ready, but only for desktop at this point. The company says we don't have a mobile experience ready yet, but it is in the works and should arrive soon. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.